We're going to solve number 6, simultaneous equations having one equation of degree 2. This is the equation of degree 2 for x and y, and it resembles a circle, and the center of this circle is the origin 0, 0, and its radius is the square root of 40, because you know that x squared plus y squared equals to r squared. So in order for us to find r, we have to square root 40, and square root 40 is about 6.32 centimeters. Now I'm going to start solving this simultaneous equations algebraically, and we start by first taking this equation 1 and writing x in terms of y or y in terms of x. I wrote here y in terms of x so that I can replace it in the second equation. So I take the value of y and replace it here. So I get x squared plus 4 minus x squared equals to 40. Now we expand x minus 4 minus x squared. So you get x squared plus 16 squaring 4, then plus x squared squaring the x, then 2 times 4 times minus x becomes minus 8x equals to 40. Now we add like terms, we get 2x squared minus 8x minus 24, and the 24 we get it by moving 40 to this side. It becomes minus 40. 16 minus 40 is minus 24 equals to 0. We notice that we have here 3 terms that have the greatest common divisor is 2. So you divide all the equation by 2, and then we reach x squared minus 4x minus 12 equals 0, which is a quadratic equation that we need to solve. And whenever we need to solve a quadratic equation, which means it's equation of degree 2, we need to factorize. So we open brackets and we say what are the 2 factors, then when you multiply them gives you x squared, so it's x and x. And what are the 2 factors that when you multiply them they give you minus 12? It's minus 6 and plus 2. Why did we use minus 6 and plus 2? Because when you add minus 6 and plus 2 you get minus 4, which is the middle term. This is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to 6, or x is equal to minus 2. So either this factor equals to 0, therefore x is 6, or this factor equal to 0, so x is minus 2. Now you replace the value of x in the second, or in this equation, you get y, so y is equal to 4 minus 6, which is minus 2. And the second value, or when you replace minus 2 in here, you're going to get 4 minus minus 2 is 6. So if you want to write these 2 solutions, they are going to be written as 6 minus 2, and they represent 2 points of intersection between the line, this is the equation of a line, and between the circle. So we have 2 solutions, therefore the line and the circle meet at 2 points. In order for you to solve it graphically, we need first to graph the circle. So the circle is x squared plus y squared equals 40. In order to get the radius, in order for you to graph it, you need to take the square root of 40, which is equal to 6.32. So you put your needle on the origin and you open your compass at about 6.32 and you draw your circle. Then we need to graph the line. The line is x plus y equals 4. So when x is 0, y is 4. When y is 0, x is 4 also. So your intercepts are 4 and 4. Therefore, when you draw your line, this is going to be your line, and the 2 points that we already found algebraically, their coordinates are, as you can see, 6 and -2, which is this one, and here you have 6 -2 and 6, they are there, and 6 for x and -2 for y is found here. So you already found the coordinates, but using the graphical method we also proved that these two solutions, they are the same if you are going to work or to solve the simultaneous equation graphically.